to Lonamla, a hill station nearby. And then further it goes to Pune.
If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately.
Everyone, so I was planning to make dahi vada, that is fritters and curds. So I was, grinding some udad dal. This is one lentil. It is called udad dal. So I was just blending this along with 1 inch ginger, and I am going to make amazing soft dahi vadas out of it. Let me show you what I'm going to do now. So I'm whisking my dough, like the batter which I just prepared. So we have to whisk it really well for at least for 10 minutes. You should go on whisking it so that it becomes really fluffy. So this actually helps your fritters to become really fluffy, and it gets really fluffed up and very soft. It becomes like cotton clouds. So you should do this. So I do this at least for 10 minutes, and then I start frying my fritters. In the meantime, I have even kept a bowl of curds. So I have added sugar into it, and I am going to whisk this too. And then there is a bowl of water. So as soon as I fry my fritters, I'll transfer it into this bowl of water, and only then I'll transfer it into this curds. So all of this happen in a matter of time, and it doesn't take too much time, and it's fun to whisk everything in the morning. It gives a good exercise, right? So I am doing that now. So what the whisking does is it brings a lot of air bubbles into it and makes the batter really smooth and soft. So you should just go on doing it. So I'm dropping my fritters into this. It should just become a slight brown. It should not fry too much. It should be a little white in color. Whisk the curds a lot so that a lot of bubbles come out like this. It should be really full of bubbles. Now we'll squeeze each of these fritters and keep it on this plate over here. Remove all the excess water and keep it like this. So look, I have arranged all the fritters after making them moist in the water. Now I have these curds, so I'll just pour them on it. The curds are superbly whisked, so I'll just pour them. So I'm not going to make my dahi vada too sweet. I'm going to make it a little spicy. But the curds are sweet right now. So, on the top, I'm not going to add any sweet chutney or anything like that. I'm going to make it spicy. So I have some red chili powder over here. I'll just sprinkle some red chili powder like this over it. And I have some coriander seed powder over here, dhania powder. This is cumin seed powder, so I'll just put that too. And I'll put some coriander over it. Just take a look. It is looking super amazing, isn't it? Wow, I feel like having this right away. So let's go. Let's take this to the dining table and give everyone a surprise. So take a look. Isn't this looking amazing? I love such breakfast, and of course it makes our day really beautiful. And look at this. I'm going to have one of it. So doesn't it look like a ball of soft cotton or a cloud? That's why I call it a ball of soft cloud. So we'll put some some yogurt over the top. So this yogurt is a little sweet, and look at this, it breaks so easily. You can cut it really easily. It's like looking so yummy and soft. It tastes yummy. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, simply silly.